After you import your AutoCAD drawing to your SketchUp, the next step, checking the size of the wall or anything that you can just measure, make sure it's the right size, then you make sure it's a group, then you lock it. Next step, I want you guys to redo all walls. If your walls are straight, we can use rectangle. For example, here, I start from here and I go all the way there. Remember, ignore all the opening. Do not stop here. Just go straight to the other corner and finish your rectangle there. I start from here, finish there, start from here, finish there, and then from there to here. So it looks that it's finished, but I just double check. See, I have this rectangle, I have this one, but when I click here, I forgot to add this rectangle. So it's easy to check if there is any piece of wall is missing. Then I just add this one too, and now I have all walls. Next step, as you know, there is a small piece of line here dividing these two rectangles from each other. So I just orbit around the model, select them, and I press delete. I click again here to find the next one. Here there is a small line, select it and I delete. I click again inside this to find the next one. See, there is a division here. I select the line, delete. I click one more time, and I know there is a line here, so I delete this one, and there is a line here too. I delete it, and I guess, oh, one is missing, so I grab this one and delete it. So now all walls are connected. The height of this room is 8'6". So I use push pull tool and pull this wall 8'6", enter. Okay, now I have my walls, but all the openings are missing. We have to add them now. How can I add them? First, let's find our style toolbar. If you don't see this here, just right click here and click and check the styles. Then I use the X-ray. When I click on X-ray, I can see inside the walls. This part are windows, and this part are doors. I have to add the guidelines from the start and end of the opening. I grab the measuring tape, then I grab one of the vertical lines from here, and I place it at the beginning of this door. I can select it again, and I place it at the end of this door. I can go around and add all the opening, all the doors like that, but there is a quick way and there is a trick to do the door. So I just stop here, I change my style, I select the measuring tape. Now I want to see what's the height of this door. Again, I go and check my drawing. The height of the door including the frame is 7'3". I go back here, use the measuring tape. This time I'm selecting the line, the bottom line of the wall. I go in blue direction, I type 7 feet 3, enter. Now that I have my door, I use rectangle from here to here. Next, I can just go ahead and delete my guideline. Now I select the surface of the opening, press Ctrl C, and see when I press Ctrl V, I have the copy of that door. Now I have to find where should I place it. So I go back and change the style. Now I can easily see the door placement, and I can place it here. Just make sure that you don't place it on the floor. See, not like that. If you can't, you have a problem placing it, just change your view and eventually you find the best place to put it. See, I place it here. I can place it anywhere. Usually there is no problem. We can place it anywhere. For example, imagine I have an opening here. I again press Ctrl V and I can, place it even here. I don't have opening here. This is just for example. And the next thing is that sometimes the door width are not the same. I might have a bigger opening or smaller opening. Imagine that this door that I place here, it's not the right size. So it's really simple to fix it. I just click on the side that it's not in the right place. For example, this one is not in the right place and I want to make it bigger and bring it this way. So I just select it, then I go to move tool and I grab this corner and see I can place it anywhere. If I have my guideline there, I can easily place it there, and that's it. I have a bigger door. Usually the height of the doors, they are all the same. Okay, now actually I don't need this one, so I just delete it for now and I go back here. Now that I have my outline of my door opening, let me change the style again. I can go grab the push-pull tool and make all the door opening. Or you can do the same thing, add all outline for your windows, then use push-pull tool and make all your opening.